Hey everybody, it's Joe Frick. I just wanted to jump on here real quick and kind of show you. I actually practice what I preach. I actually got in a car accident in August of last year. I got rear-ended on Middleton Road in Nampa. Um, so I got done treating. Um, I got done treating a little while ago, and some of you are probably saying, "What, Joe? What took you so long to get your own car crash case settled?" Well, the answer is I've been dealing with my clients' cases first. I've got 2 years to file a claim with the insurance company, so they can wait for me to get my clients' cases in order before I get to my case. But in any event, I'm at a point. I also had to deal with the VA billing issues, getting documents from them. I'm sure some of you can appreciate trying to deal with any governmental organization, especially with all this government or COVID stuff going on at the moment. So it took me a long time to get those. But in any event, I'm talking about today the diminished value claims for your car. So obviously, shortly after my crash in August, the insurance company ponied up the money to fix my car, got my car fixed, and that's all well and good. The car's fine. But now my car is worth less than it was before the car crash. So I went and got my car appraised by a professional appraiser, and turns out, I invested a couple $100 to get the car appraised, but in Idaho, you get, in pretty much every state that I practice in, you get a diminished value claim. So, as you can see, this is what the car was worth before the car crash, and this is what it's worth after the car crash, even after the repairs. So, this is the big number for a diminished value claim. So, a couple $100 invested into the property diminished value property claim report, saying, this is what it was worth before, this is what it's worth after, this is what I have personally lost as far as value in the vehicle that I was driving at the time that I got hit. So what I do with my car accident claims is I get these reports from my clients. I submit them to the insurance company. But on top of that, I also give them, show them legally my clients are entitled to that diminished value claim. And if it did go to trial, we would put that evidence in front of a jury, and the jury would be able to tell you, or the judge would tell the jury, like, look, this is what you have to value, and this is the law, and you have to follow my instructions. If you find that the car is worth less now than it was before, then you have to award them money. These are hard numbers, can't really argue with them. So along with the property damage claim numbers, I also send them the diminished value property damage instruction that the judge would actually give the jury if we actually had to go to trial because the insurance company's lowballing me on my property damage claim or any of the other personal injury claims or anything else. I had to go through several weeks of treatment, chiropractic, physical therapy, all this stuff that a typical car crash injury victim has to go through. But I send them this jury instruction to show them that this is what a judge is going to show them. There's no way getting around this property damage claim. They're going to have to pay it. So this is pretty much the instruction that most states have, the reasonable cost of necessary repairs to repair the damaged vehicle, plus the difference between its fair market value before it was damaged and its fair market value after the repairs. So there's really no way to get around the insurance company paying you for the lost value in a car crash case. It's there pursuant to the law. The insurance company is going to pay that so long as you take the right steps. You get the car in a car crash, get it repaired. After the fact, get that property damage appraisal report to submit to the insurance company. But that other important step is, getting the actual law to the insurance adjuster to show them that, you're going to pay this no matter what. So, I'm actually doing the things that I'm talking about in these videos. So the fun thing is this crash is actually my car crash case. I don't get to show you, what I do with my clients' cases, because that's confidential. But this is my case, and I can show you whatever I want. So that's what I do. for my clients, that's what I'm doing in my case. I go after everything that my clients are entitled to. I go after everything that I'm entitled to because somebody else messed up. So yeah, if you got any questions about that, let me know. Like I said in the Facebook video, or my Facebook page, was actually a booking button where you can click and say, schedule a meeting with Joe, and I'm going to talk to him. All right. Thanks, guys.